Xiaomi unveils lightweight AR glasses with retina-level displays. Well, this is the key with this, is you got to get it to a size and weight that people don't feel goofy with all of it, that they actually want to wear it. And we've been saying this for ages. I mean, we've been saying this since Google Glass, when people were like, you can't wear that in our bar. It was controversial at the time. I don't remember. Plus, there was only a handful of them out there. You look at Google Glass now, and you're like, you know what? It really wasn't that. It wasn't really that big. It was just weird looking.
Yeah.
It's actually kind of impressive for the time, what it was. Boasting a retina-level near-eye display for AR glasses, Xiaomi Wireless AR Glass Discovery Edition delivers a truly immersive visual experience. Moreover, self-developed Xiaomi AR gesture control empowers effortless control between virtual and real space. Look at this guy. He's flying. He's in the future.
What do you think of these glasses?
Well, the guy's in the future, you know.
It's not nothing. I think it's kind of cool. Like maybe in your living room or something.
So what are those? So I can see the lenses behind. Okay, there we go. So this is a good visual that sort of showcases what's going on here. Micro OLED display, freeform optical design, 1200 nits, peak eye-catching brightness. This, you can see the distance that still needs to be there, even with that prism or whatever is necessary, the lens component there to give you the ability to essentially focus on something up close. But and then you still can't have it right up against your eye. You still need a little bit of distance there, and that's where the appearance of these things gets a little wonky because they're far out from your face. And as you know, you wear glasses. As weight gets further out from your face, you feel that weight at a multiplier effect. If you've ever worn a VR headset, you know what I'm talking about as well.
Yeah, and the field of view is quite narrower.
But, you know, that's all that said, we kind of know that this is a stepping stone, and this is kind of just one portion of the movement of miniaturization and figuring out how to keep going and making these things look more and more like actual glasses and less like some sort of geeky, weird headset.
Yeah, niche toy.
Like less like a headset and more like glasses. And you, of course, got these comically big arms on there and everything else. If the experience is good enough, I think people will put up with a lot from a design perspective.
Yeah, and you don't have to wear any gloves or anything like that or controllers. It's just scanning your hand. So that's nice.
No, listen, it's going to happen. It's a matter of miniaturization, like a lot of technology. Yeah. Whenever we see early stuff, that's kind of the thing, is it's like you can sense how it's close, but not quite. Xiaomi's latest AR device uses Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 1 platform with support for Snapdragon Space's XR development platform to run different applications. Notably, the MetaQuest Pro announced last year also uses the same chip. Company said that using... By the way, I have that headset, the MetaQuest Pro. Remind me to take it out of my trunk and put it in here. I don't know if you want to goof around with it because you're kind of the VR guy, AR guy. Company said that using the Mi Shares application streaming capability, the AR glasses can let viewers watch content through apps like TikTok and YouTube. Users can rely on gestures to move around the interface and even interact with real-life objects. For instance, the device lets you turn on or turn off a smart lamp or grab a screencast from a TV. Woo! Everything connected. All your home devices, you're pinching, hitting buttons, and...
That's what I'm going to do all day.
Pinching, swiping, expanding. Yeah. That's you, Will.